Hey everyone, today I'm excited to share with you an incredible money mind hack called the Wealth Manifestation. This powerful technique can help you create the life you desire by focusing on your intentions and beliefs about money. To start, take a few deep breaths and let your body relax. Next, have a clear vision of what you want your financial future to look like. Imagine the amount of money, time, and freedom you desire. Now imagine this dream clearly, with all the details. Notice the emotions that come with this vision: excitement, joy, and peace. Now let this image stay with you throughout the day. Remember this vision every time you think about money and start incorporating it into your daily thoughts and actions. One of the key aspects of manifesting wealth is intention. Believe that you are already rich and the money is coming to you. Repeat this mantra repeatedly: I am rich, I am rich, money comes to me like water on a mountain. Another important aspect is to focus on your financial achievements so far. Recognize and celebrate the money you've already made and the money you're making now. Finally, always keep a positive attitude and believe that your dreams are achievable. By following these steps, you will begin to manifest the life of wealth, abundance, and freedom you desire. Remember that the power to create lies within you.